Hey, I'm Bill Bennett. I'm here to show you some of our Qimera virtual production technology. This is based on the Unreal Engine. We're particularly focused in this demo I'm going to show you on how corporations, businesses, colleges, schools, and so on can use this tool for their broadcasts and their internal meetings and webcasts that they may do. So these are using beautiful three-dimensional virtual sets, all based again in Unreal Engine, and it's very interoperable with other Unreal Engine assets that you may have access to. This is one of our virtual digital kind of drop-ins. This could be an icon, this could be a logo, this could be something therefore static. It could be actual real-time video coming in live from another feed. Maybe we got some colleagues in other campuses bringing in some video. Certainly it can be recorded content as well. And then another example over here, we have imagine products. Maybe you're having your quarterly meeting and you're talking about different products coming up. So we have different templates that we can bring in with, of course, the proper artwork and branding for each of the products. Kind of nice way to visually jump from category to category. And right now, my camera that I'm looking at is trackless. What you're seeing here is all done digitally. It's not even moving. It's just done in software. Now here we have another example coming up of some additional graphics that can come up. This is kind of neat. This could be like a Teams session, right? Or a Zoom session. And I could be like, hey, how are you? Oh, it's good to see you. I have not seen you forever. Nice hat. Really good hat. I like when you wear that. So, there we go, right? And then he's gone. Now here's some of the graphics that we can bring up. This stuff's really neat because it doesn't have to be live graphics, but it surely can. It can also be flat file stuff off of a spreadsheet or Excel file, stuff like that. A nice way to paint them in visual ways that are compelling. Oh, by the way, this is a nice example of three-dimensional space. You notice how my body is occluding the graphics behind me. We also have it set up that I could get up and walk around and stand behind the graphics, and the graphics would occlude me. So that's a nice three-dimensional reality there that you've got, again, thanks to the Unreal Engine. And the beauty about Qimera is it's an interface built on top of the Unreal Engine. It's very efficient. It's designed for live production, broadcast, whether you may be a network or you're a corporation doing communications and events, either to a public or a private environment. By the way, there's some nice graphics you see right there. Again, those could be like prices of different products that we're selling, could be revenues, could be employee counts, could be student numbers, things that you really want to see in a virtual environment that makes it more enticing than just a flat graphic on a sign behind you, because you notice the graphics are in front of me. That's pretty cool. Again, I could get up and walk in front of them too if I wanted. And by the way, sometimes you go to trade shows like we do in Las Vegas where it's really hot. So sometimes you just want to kind of jump inside of a computer like this, and nice cooling fans behind me. This could be any kind of virtual environment. This could be the inside of a car. I could be virtually on a set that looks like a corporate campus or a university campus. This is all very possible in three-dimensional space, thanks to the Unreal Engine with the Qimera user interface design for simple live production. This is another set that we've got here. It looks like the Las Vegas skyline behind me here. In this case, they're actually moving the camera, so this is now a tracked environment where our software is tracking where the camera is going. This is a three-dimensional space that I'm in. If they turn the camera all the way around, you would still see the sets. If they tilt it up, you would see the ceiling of the set. Or if they tilt it down, you would see the floor of the set. This allows you to have a lot of neat elements that you can be creative in, again, a virtual software space. So you don't really need a big building or a room to do this in. And as you start moving the camera around, both either tracked or trackless, you start seeing different environments that your people are in. So there's a lot of creativity. You can rebrand the sets to talk about the topic that you're engaging in. Again, like I said, whether it's something quarterly, whether it's a new branding opportunity or a launch or a new academic program being introduced. This type of software in production equipment and technology is so economical and yet so powerful. There's a lot you can do with this world of three-dimensional production. So thanks for visiting our Qimera virtual production short little demo reel, and check it out at enco.com. That's enco.com. Take care. Woohoo! Nicely done. Took a few